Okay, I'm going to show you how to post emojis and gifs into your comments or into your posts. So we're just going to go ahead and write this up. So, emojis. Just click the little emoji icon here, and there you go. That simple as that. Gifs, they're hidden a little bit. So when you come over, and after you've posted so often, here's the attached file too as well. So I'll go ahead and change this and show that feature as well. But to do the gifs, it's over here. So you click, search for whatever you wanted. Let's just look up emojis. Enter. So click that. There's the gifs. Now to do an attachment, you would come in and you would choose the file that you want to attach. And you're not going to see a thing of that because I only want one file attached or so. So then you come in and add topic. And it's all simple as that. It'll take a minute to upload that, load everything. Here's the file I uploaded. So that kind of shows you how it works. Now you could do more than one photo. Once it's here, you could actually copy the link address and you could actually go through, edit it, upload a different one. Then instead of having to upload, you can actually go in and you can actually post photos from other places as well. So this photo here's right. So you come in, you just paste the link and the photo's there. So if we went through and we decided, whatever, let's go to Google. Let's say that you went to whatever website, your own property or whatever, and you have something that you feel is valuable to share, you could come back in and you could actually post that without uploading any kind of photo. So you could actually post that. You can copy this image link, your address, boom, you can post that, and then you could create a whole post with the photos and everything. But that pretty much sums it up. It's pretty simple to use. Let me know if you have any questions. Send me a message or thoughts on it. Hope you have a great day.